Hi there, welcome to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to lower alarm volume on iPhone. In clock section, in clock application, you'll find alarms here, and then from here you can see all the details available, and you can set alarm from here. Here you can set ringtones, the tones for the alarm. Also you can choose the haptics from here, but there is no other dedicated option to set or adjust ringtone volume, the volume for alarm. To lower the volume of your alarm, you just need to go to settings, then scroll down and you'll find sounds and haptics. Click on it, then you will find this sound bar where you can adjust the sound by sliding right and left. By sliding right, it will increase your ringtone level, and if you slide it left, then it will decrease your ringtone level. And that's how you can just, if your alarm is on high level, you just need to slide this left and your alarm volume will decrease, and you can lower your volume by this. You can also control this by your side panel buttons. This upper button is for increasing the volume, you can control it by it. If you click it, as you can see, it is now increasing, and if you click on this down button here, it will start decreasing. And that's how you can control your alarm volume easily. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click our bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.